In this Python OpenAI tutorial, we will make an application that finds and fixes bugs in a code file. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will transfer the OpenAI library. You can start the transfer process using this code. The transfer process is completed. I import the OpenAI library into the code file. I am creating a variable. I need an API key. I can create an API key using this website. I added the link to the website in the description section of the video. I go to the API Keys tab. I click on the Create button. I give a name. I copy the API key to the code file. I am creating a variable. I send the code file in the project to the Open function. I choose the Read option. I print the text in the text file to the console using the Read function. I want to fix the bugs in this code file. There are a few bugs in the code file. I am running the code file. This is how I can read the file. I am creating a variable. I will send a few necessary parameters to the create function. I choose the GPT Turbo option as the model. I will send two types of messages to the function. The first message will be the system message. In the message, I state that a code file will be sent and the bugs need to be fixed. The second message will be the user message. I send the codes and remind him again what to do. I can show the result on the screen by using message and content functions. Let's test it. Bugs in the code were detected and fixed. We can also see the description of the bugs on the console screen. In this video, we made an application that finds and fixes bugs in a code file. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.